inches from the blasting cap. And the setup is complete. Will the blast wave leave the exterior surface intact and gyps the interior cellular structure? Or is it just another far-fetched fake film? They're all set to take the plunge.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! The whole thing jumped. That was awesome. One!
Just how awesome is illustrated on the high-speed camera.
Whoa, look at that beautiful bubble.
Wow! We have this perfect 12-inch cavitation.
As per the video, the tomato skin is intact, but hasn't been juiced.
I've got some straws. Now, if the video is to be believed, I should get tomato juice out of this. Here, do you want to try it? Try it. Oh, what? Hey! You're kind of getting some juice there.
Jamie manages to suck up a decent mouthful of juice.
I did.
And Adam, comparing it to an unexploded raw control with zero liquid uptake,
I'm getting nothing.
thinks they may be onto something.
This is so ludicrous. We just blew up a tomato and now we're trying to have a drink. Whatever, no big.
The question is, where to now?
Okay, did you see what I see there? Yeah, exactly. Our tomato was just a little too far from the bubble. I'd say about 2 inches away, and we needed to be 1 inch away, like we see in the video. That is our next test.
Coming up on this final season Food Spectacular, the fruit apocalypse continues. And cooking shrimp gets a Mad Max makeover.
Eat shrimp and die.